50 years ago, there are 30,000 buffaloes in Macedonia. Today, this animal is very rare in our country. We are surprised that when we heard that these animals are in our neighborhood, and that's how we got the idea to start with this project.
When we started with the project on February 2007, there were only 13 but female buffaloes. There were no male buffaloes. And that's why the breeders were facing the possibility that the buffaloes are not going to give any milk because they were not being pregnant, I guess, for 3 years. The first baby buffalo was female again. We don't have male, we have only one male that we donated. His name was Breshko, and the name of the new baby was Christina. This animal is endangered species, and because it's expensive to breed these animals, the breeders are not in the position to pay so much money for food and to make good conditions for these buffaloes. They are dying. And we try to be sustainable. We do everything that is in our power, but we are only students. We are in the NGO. We are part of the NGO, but I think that, in my opinion, the breeders should take more care about this. If no one finds out that these are endangered species, I think that maybe we lose this species and we don't have like more domestic animals.
We are young people from Macedonia and doing projects for environment, for saving the environment. We are share with you our project Saving the Last Buffaloes in Macedonia, and we want these animals stay in our country. So join us, help us to do something for these rare animals in our country, and also for sustainable development and saving the environment.